Hello students, today we are going to discuss set theory. Our first lecture is on basic definitions of set theory. First, the definition of set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. So, what is well-defined collection of objects? Well-defined collection of objects. Suppose you have two collection. Suppose I asked you to collect the students in your class. Okay, students in your class, and in another I asked you to collect one more group where there will be student of intelligent student in your class. Okay, this group right over there on the right is the collection of intelligent students. Okay, so if I ask someone to collect all those students who are intelligent, so then you will face difficulties because for you the students who are intelligent, for me those students may not be intelligent. I may not consider those students as intelligent students, but you may consider those students as intelligent students. So for different person the term this intelligent is very. So for you I may be I may be intelligent student. For me you may be an intelligent student, but for a other person you may not be an intelligent student. So if I ask you to collect all those intelligent students, then the collection you will make will be different from the collection that I will make. Okay, so the collection of intelligent student, the collection of talented student, these things are not set. Collection of good students, these things are not collection of set, collection of well-defined objects. So these are not set. So next, collection of students in class is fixed. So those, if I ask you to collect all those students in your class, then you can easily write their names in a copy, but at the same time I am also able to write those students name in a copy which will be same with you. So this will be a set. Next, some examples. Odd natural number less than 10. So odd natural number less than 10 are fixed 13579. For you, odd natural number less than 10 is 13579, and for me also odd natural number less than 10 is 13579. So we will use this bracket, middle bracket, to denote a set 13579. So this is the collection of uh, numbers less than 10. Okay, next, the rivers of India. So rivers of India, you can also collect the names of rivers of India because there are limited number of rivers of India. So you can collect all those names. I can also collect the same number of rivers of India. Third, the vowel in English alphabet. Vowel in English alphabet: A, E, I, O, U. This is fixed for you and this is also fixed for me. Fourth, various kinds of triangle. Various kinds of triangle is also fixed for you. So isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, equilateral, whatever the triangles are there. So it is fixed for you and it is also fixed for me. 5. Prime factors of 210. Prime factors of 210 are 2, 3, 5, 7. So prime factors. So you have to factor 210. So all the factors you write it down, all the factors of 210, and collect only the prime factors. So these are fixed. Okay, these are fixed. So it will be fixed for you, it is fixed for me, because if I ask you to collect the prime factor of 210, then you will write 2357, and I will also write 2357. Option 6, the solution of the equation. This solution, if I asked you to solve this equation, you will get the zeros, that means root this 2 and 3, this 2 and 3. If I solve this solution, if anyone else solve this solution, he or she will also get this answer 2 or 3. The solution is fixed 2 or 3. So if I ask you to collect the solution of this equation, then the set will be look like 2 comma 3. So this is fixed. So why the term we have used the term well-defined collection in the definition of set. We note that each of the above example is well-defined collection of objects in the sense that we can definitely decide whether a given particular object belongs to a given collection or not. For example, we can say that the river Nile does not belong to the collection of rivers of India. On the other hand, the river Ganga does belong to this collection. River Nile is not belongs to this collection of river of India because river Nile is outside of India, but river Ganga is belongs to this collection of rivers of India, because river Ganga is a river of India. So this is well defined. Okay, so that's why I have already explained that what is well defined. So this paragraph tells you how to describe this well defined term. Odd natural number examples I have already discussed. Few more example. The set of all natural number. The set of all natural number. So set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gone. So this is a set. So this set is denoted by n. So write note that this n you have to write like this, not this n. Okay, this is not represented by natural number. The natural number n is this. If you check your book, if you check your NCERT book, you will observe that the n is they have made it bold. Okay, they have made it bold, they have made it dark. This natural number is, they have made it dark. So in when you will write your in copy, so you just write like this n. So next z means set of all integer, so you will write it like this. So minus minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the set of integer. The set of rational number, so the set of rational number you cannot write like this. So set of rational number, then set of real number. These are also set, is a collection. Okay, these are fixed for you, fixed for me. So you cannot write it using comma, because why you cannot write it using comma? See, uh, uh, the thing is that suppose you have written 1. Okay, what is the next rational number? Sorry, suppose you have written 1, then what is the next rational number? 1.000000001. But I will say that it is not this. I will say this is 1.00000000001. Someone else will say this is 1.00000000001. So whatever the number of 0 you want, you can increase it. So you cannot predict the number, right? Just write to this one. Just write just in this position. Okay, so this sets you cannot write using this you comma. This is called tabular form. I will discuss it on later. Next, z plus is positive integer, so only you have to consider positive part of integer. Next, q plus is the set of positive rational number, only you have to consider only positive numbers. R plus is the positive real number. Element of a set. What is element of a set? The element of a set here, it is saying that if A is an element of a set, we say that A belongs to A. The Greek letter epsilon is used to denote the phrase belongs to. Thus, we can write A belongs to A. If B is not an element of a set, we can write B does not belongs to A. So you have to just cut it. Read B does not belongs to A. Okay. Thus, in the set B of vowels in the alphabet, A belongs to B. B does not belongs to B. In the set P of prime factors of 33 belongs to P, but 15 does not belongs to P. So if I say minus 1 is a natural number, so I will write like this: 1 belongs to set of natural number, or 1 belongs to set of natural number. Again, I am saying don't write this n. This n not represent set of natural number. Just write like this. This n represents set of natural number. So if an element does not belongs to this set, then how we will write? So minus 1. Minus 1 does not belongs to the set of natural number. So we will write like this. So this is an element if it belongs to this element, because means it is in this set. 1 is in the set, so it belongs to the set. Okay, that is now we'll go to the next. Okay, there are two methods representing set: roster, tabular form, or set builder form. Roster or tabular form. Tabular form means you have to write all the elements using comma. The set of all natural number which divide 42. 42. Okay, so 1 3 5 1 2 3 6 7 14 21 42. This number divides 42. 2 divides 42, 3 divides 42, 6 divides 42, 7 divides 42, 14 divides 42, 21 divides 42, 42 divides 42. So you are asked to write in a set form, so you have written it tabular form using comma. So all elements, if you write using comma 2 3, then this is called tabular form. So next, roster form. So again I will come sorry, next is set builder form. row star form and or tabular form. This is a similar name, row star, or you can say tabular. So tabular is okay, or row star. In row star form, the order in which the elements are listed immaterial. So order is immaterial. So if you have written this set, okay, this set like this 2, 1, 3, 14, 7, 21, 42, then it is also fine, no problem. So the set of all vowels in the English alphabet in roster or tabular form, A, E, I, O, U, this comma, comma, comma notation. Next, the set of all odd natural number represented by 1, 3, 5. Okay, so odd natural number 1, 3, 5, it will continue like this. It will never end. The dots tell us the list of odd numbers continue indefinitely. Okay. Next, we will come to the set builder form. In set builder form, you have to write a set like this. Suppose vowel of English alphabet, this you have written in tabular or roster form. Now you have to write in a set builder form. How you will write? So this is the format of set builder form. In here, what they are saying, v equal to x, such that this double dot is called such that x is a vowel in the English alphabet. Okay, this set V will contain an element X named X. The element have an property this. This is the format. What it is saying that this set has an element X. I don't know what is the element. This is like in your school time you have written X plus Y equal to whole square. This X may take value 2, X equal to 2, X equal to 3, whatever. So like that. This X may take value depending on this property. What property this X has. If the X has the property that X is a vowel in English alphabet, then X will take value A, E, I, O, U. So this is the form of set builder form. Next, I have written, it may be these things I have already mentioned. You can read using you pausing the video. Next, A, X such that X is a natural number and 3 is less than X is less than 10. Again, what this set will have? This set has an element namely X. I don't know the element. Okay, you don't know the element name, but the element has a property. What is the property? The element X is a natural number and 3 is less than X is less than 10, and that natural number should be in this interval. That means this natural number can take value X equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It cannot take this value 3. Okay, it cannot take this value 3 because you, for taking this value 3, there should be a less than equal sign like this. Greater than equal, less than equal sign over here also. Only then and then it will take 3 and 10 also. So the here the set will be look like this. The set is, if I cut these things, then the set will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is this set A. Okay. See 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But if I make this condition like this, I have already told you. But again, if I make this condition like this condition, if I make this condition like this, then the set A will look like this: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. If we denote the set described A, B, C above in row star form A, B, C, respectively A, B, C, then ABC can also be represented by set builder form as below. X as that X is a natural number which divides a property. So this is X and it has a property this. In place of X, you can also use the letter Y also. Okay, there is no harm. Y, Z, whatever you want. B equal to Y. Y is a vowel in the English alphabet. Z, Z is an odd natural number. So this is the property. So depending on this, okay, this is in this form, this property, no, this property, you have to write all the elements depending that those elements who follow this particular property. So this is the rule. So at last, this is the question. Write the solution set of this in row star form. The given equation, this solution of this equation in row star form. You are asked to solution of this equation in row star form. First of all, to write the solution of this equation in row star form, you have to know the solution. So First you solve the solution. So first you find out the solution. Okay, so solve this quadratic equation. So if you solve this quadratic equation, it will be in the form how x square, simple factorization you have already learned, I think. X square plus 2 minus 1 x minus 2 equal to 0, then x square plus twice x minus 2 equal to 0, then x plus 2 minus 1 x plus 2 equal to 0, then x plus 2 x minus 1 equal to 0. So you will get this x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 2. So therefore the solution of the given equation can be written as this form. So this is the Rooster form. So right, the set is a positive integer x square is less than 40 in the roster form. So depending on this property, so I have given this set in the set builder form. So depending on this property, you have to write this set. How you will write this set? So you have to take an element x whose square is less than 40. 1 square is 1 which is less than 40. So 1 will be there. 2 square is equal to 4 who is less than 40. So 2 will be there. So 3 square is 9 is less than 40, so 3 will be there. 4 square is 16 which is less than 40, so 4 will be there. 5 square is 25 less than 40, so 5 will be there. So next 6 square is equal to 36 is less than 40, so 6 will be there, but 7 will be not there because 7 square equal to 49, which does not follow this property. This property will not satisfy. So x square minus 40 will not satisfy for x equal to 7. So you cannot write 7. So only the set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, thank you.